just driving by on the highway and saw this little side piece on the road and thought we'd stop and just check it out. And why, it's a fixer-upper. Talked about maybe, should we try that? And we decided, nope, takes away from the riding of the bikes. But it's been here a while. Log cabin. Some wood stack for a fire at one time. Got some really pretty flowers growing. No, yeah, people on the roof.
It happens.
Oh yeah. So even had a number on the door. Double door. We'll take a look inside. Oh yeah. It's a cool thing. Cool find. Not far off the highway. As you can see, there's caulking in there for keeping the draft out. Chinking. Chink. Looks like a little lean-to was at one time on the back. Yeah, quite the hewing of the logs. You can tell it's hand done. And of course the cans here. And then there was a shed of some sort over here. Beautiful.